They've been around for a long time. Like if you remember their humble beginnings, Smarter Child, early 2000s. But they have been since then supercharged by machine learning and natural language processing. And they're very much indispensable right now for customer service, for sales, for internal communications. And it can take you not just from that customer service experience, but like to create seamless sales. And you technically could find a chatbot for almost anything. Like I'm using Tidio, and I can see right now on my watch how many of you have actually been tapping the website. And not only that I can see that, but if I go into analytics, I know where you come from, I know what pages you've gone to, I know when you exit, I know what your IP, and then if I don't like you, I might bot you. Like, I've actually had to do that. I was getting a lot of heat from like somewhere like Pakistan. And every time I was getting a hit from there, from that IP, there was a check on my website that was saying that there's a warning, somebody trying to install malware on my website. So it was going hand in hand. And I started connecting the dots. I'm like, wait a second, what's happening here, they're trying to get my website hacked. So I went and I blocked them all. And when I did that, that activity stopped. So there is power to those tools. It's not just something that, oh, it'd be great to have. Well, I would like to know like who's checking on my website so that I can improve it. Like I would like to know how many people are spending time on this page versus this page. Or maybe I want to know why do they exit. All of this is in there if you're curious.